Hello everyone, this is Mr. Song and I'm going to go over the grade 8 homework quiz that you guys had yesterday. So we have number 1 here. There are 3 lines A, B, and C, and the question says write the equation of the lines shown. So let's start with line A. So here, let's use a blue. So line A is over here and it's a vertical line. So line A is a vertical line. And if you noticed, we talked about it when Miss Flynn was here, all of these points on line A has the x-coordinate -3, and the y-coordinates change. And that should be the hint that all vertical lines should have an equation, x equals the number -3. Okay. Now, line B is a horizontal line. Line B is a horizontal line. It goes sideways, and notice that it goes through the y-intercept of 2. But slope is 0. It's not going anywhere. So you can write y is equal to 2, and that would be the equation of line B. So very different from the equation of the lines that we've talked about. It's not in the form of mx plus b. So these are special cases, and you need to know how to write the equation of vertical and horizontal lines. Line C, on the other hand, is very familiar to what we've been doing. So line C, its y-intercept is cut off, but it's -3, and the slope, let's pick a point here, and the next one going through the crosshair is over here. So y-intercept is 3, and to go from one point to the other, here I have to go up 2 over 1. So since my slope is 2 over 1, which is 2, so line C has the equation y is equal to 2x minus 3. 2 is my slope, m is 2, and then y-intercept b is -3, so you can just put it together like so. That was number 1. Number 2 says graph each line below. So y equals -3 fourth x plus 2, and then y equals 2x minus 5. Let's do the left equation first. Y is equal to -3 over 4x plus 2. So I know the y-intercept is 2. So m is -3 over 4, and then b, the y-intercept is 2. So I'm going to go to 2 right there. And since my slope is -3 over 4, I'm going to go down 3 and over 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 to the right. 2, 3, and 4. That's my next point. And another one, I can't really go here to the right at down 3 over 4, so I'm going to go up 3 and to the left 4 units over there, and that will be another point there. So my line, let's see, that's my line. That's y equals -3 over 4x plus 2. Now in red, I will do y equals 2x minus 5. Y-intercept, slope is 2, and the y-intercept is -5. So I'm going to find my starting point of -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my starting point. And slope is 2, and that's equivalent to 2 over 1. So I'm going to go up 2 and over 1. Up 2 over 1. So that's my point. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and up 2 over 1. And that line, that would be my y equals 2x minus 5. Okay? All right. Let's move on. Number 3. Rearrange for y, and then state the slope and y-intercept. Okay, the first thing we have to do, is move the 4x to the other side. So I'm going to do minus 4x and minus 4x from both sides. So I get negative 3y is equal to negative 4x plus 12. Now, what I've noticed here is a lot of you were dividing by negative 3 correctly, but to only one term. You have to divide everything by negative 3. So you would get y is equal to negative over negative is positive, so 4 over 3x minus 4, because 12 divided by negative 3 is minus 4. Okay, so you're not done. You found the equation of the line, y is equal to negative 4 over 3, or positive 4 over 3x minus 4, but you have to state the slope and y-intercept. The slope is 4 over 3, and the y-intercept is negative 4. And now you're done with number 3. Let's go to number 4. Find the equation of the line with m is equal to negative 1/2, passing through the point 4 and 1. So you're given the slope already. The slope is negative 1/2. M is negative 1 over 2, but it goes through 4, 1. So I'm going to start with my equation y equals mx plus b. I already know what m is, so I'm going to plug that in. So y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus b, and this line has to go through the point 4, 1. So I'm going to plug in, this is your x value and there's your y value, so 1 is equal to negative 1/2 times 4 plus b. Now, notice the 4, the x value, went in here, and let's pick a different color. Okay, this 1 here went in for y. And now I'm going to solve for b. So 1 is equal to negative 1/2 times 4 is negative 2 plus b, and if you add 2 to both sides, you will see that b is equal to 3. Now, since I know my slope and y-intercept, I can write my equation. Y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3. And there you go. And the last question for today, it says, number 5, find the equation of the line through points 3, negative 2 and 9, 2. The very first thing you have to do is find the slope. Okay, so what is slope? Slope, eraser. Okay, slope is the change in y over change in x, rise over run. So I'm going to take 2 minus negative 2, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that would be 2 plus 2 on top, which is 4, and 9 minus 6, which is 6. And I see that I can simplify 4 over 6 even further and make it equal to 2 over 3. So here I have my slope. Now I have my slope. I have 2 points that it's going through. It's become number 4, right? We did this question already. Once you know the slope and you have the points that it goes through, the question is just like number 4. So I'm going to use my green marker and say, okay, y is equal to 2 over 3x plus b. Since I know the slope, all I have to find is the y-intercept. Pick a point. You can pick 3 and negative 2 or 9 and 2. It's up to you. I'm going to pick 9 and 2 just because they're both positive. So here I'm going to put 2 is equal to 2 over 3 times 9 plus b. And 2 is equal to 2 times 9 divided by 3, or 9 divided by 3 is 3, times 2 is 6. Either way, you will get 6 and plus b. So 2 is equal to 6 plus b. b must be negative 4. So I have my slope, which is 2 over 3, and I have my y-intercept, which is -4. So my final answer is y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 4. There you go. And that is the quiz you took yesterday. For homework, you were already doing your homework because you were supposed to watch this podcast. And you have another homework quiz that looks very similar with different numbers. You have to complete all 5 questions and bring it to school on Monday. I'll see you guys on Monday.